Okay, perpendicular bisector. We have a segment. We're going to draw a line through that segment that hits the midpoint and is perpendicular to that segment. So the first example right here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Okay, we have a segment. We need to draw a perpendicular bisector through it. The first step is to choose a compass opening that's greater than 1/2 of the segment. So like, that would be good. I don't know, choose a compass opening that's greater than 1/2. Then whatever this measure is that you chose, as long as it's greater than 1/2, it's fine. Put it at point A. We're gonna make a segment up here, and then from B, we're gonna make the same like cross, and it'll intersect like that.
Wait, what?
So I put it at A, made this arc, and then put it at B with the same measure and did this, and now this is like the midpoint going down. And then once you have that crossed, you're going to do the same thing underneath this segment. So put it on A and make a mark down here, and B, make a mark like this. And now where these intersections are, we're going to connect those dots to get the perpendicular bisector. So we're going to connect this and this. And that right there intersects at the exact midpoint and is perpendicular. So it makes a 90-degree angle, and both of these segments are the same measure.
Like mine was a little off.
Actually, that would work. So I see what Luke has on his paper. So this is another way I've seen it done before. So like, instead of doing like 4 different marks, you could literally just like do like a semicircle here, and then like a semicircle here, and wherever these intersect, that's where you like connect. That would be fine too. So whatever works for you. You can do 4 marks or just like 2 big marks like that. But either way, it'll work. I mean to confuse you. It's all Luke's fault. Okay, well, it works that way too. You know, I actually used this in real life once when I was trying to like hang up pictures in my house and I was trying to get everything straight. I used this. I actually used it, yeah. I was like, shoot, I know how to do that.